Hello everyone. I'm Assistant Professor Shraddha Kulkarni from Sarhad College of Art, Commerce and Science. So today we will learn Introduction to Data Science. What is data science? Data science, it means it is a field that combines the technique from statistic, computer science and domain knowledge. It means it including various types of field combine the techniques statistic, computer science and domain knowledges to analyze and interpret large amount of data. The goal is to extract useful insight, make predictions and help in decision making. So data, it means collection of information. Inside that, the data are divided into three types. First one, structured data. Second one, unstructured data. Third one, semi-structured data. So here is a detailed explanation of the different types of data. Inside that, the first one, structured data. Structured data, it means structured data refer to data that is organized in a specific format, usually in rows and columns, such as in database or spreadsheets. It is easy to search, analysis, and process because it follow a clear and consistent structure. For example, inside including the data in tables like customer information or sales record and student information, etc. The common use cases: financial record, inventory management, customer information, etc. So this structure make it easy to apply algorithms and tools that accept a clear predefined format. So characteristics: first one, organize in tables with row and columns. Second one, each column represent a specific type of data, for example name, age, address. Third one, it is stored in relational database or data warehouses. Easy. Fourth one, easy to query using SQL. SQL stands for structured query language. And last one, predictable and easy to work with due to its organization. So inside that, some examples of structured data. First one, database customer database. It means, for example, a relational database mean have the table with customer details such as name, address, phone number, email and order history, all organized in row and columns. Next, second type, unstructured data. Unstructured data. Unstructured data, it means it refers to data that does not have a predefined format or structure, making it hard to analyze. It is the most difficult to work within its raw form since it lacked the organization of structure or semi-structured data. However, it contains the valuable insights when proceed using advanced techniques like text mining, machine learning, and natural language processing. It means NLP. So, it contain unstructured data contain the valuable insights process. It means advanced techniques like mining, machine learning, etc. So inside that, the common use cases, for example, social media analysis, customer feedback, new articles, legal documents, image and video recognition, etc. Next one, characteristics of unstructured data. First characteristics, no predefined structure or organizations. Second one, can come in various forms such as text, audio, video, images, etc. Fourth one, often stored in format like plain text file, media file or document. And last one, it required advanced processing techniques to extract meaningful information. It means it often stored in format like plain text file, media file or documentations. Next one, some examples of unstructured data. Text data, it means social media post, like customer reviews, emails, blog post, etc. These are the typically free form text without any strict organization. Then second one, multimedia data, inside that, for example, audio files, images, video, and other form of media that don't follow any particular structure. And next, third one, semi-structured data. Semi-structured data is not organized in a strict tabular format, but it contains some structure or metadata that allows it to be interpreted and analyzed. It does not conform to the rigid schema of structured data, but still has some level of organization to make it easier to purchase and analyze than completely unstructured data. Unstructured data, it means it just like combination of structure and unstructured data. So inside that, the common use cases: web data, APIs, emails, sensor data, log files, etc. Next, some examples of semi-structured data. XML files, it means a semi-structured format where data is enclosed in tags, making it easier to extract the specific values. JavaScript language, etc. The next, characteristics. So inside that, it does not follow a strict data model, but it may have the tags, markers, or a hierarchy to organize the elements. Next characteristics, it is often stored in format like XML, zone, or NoSQL databases. Next one, it allows for flexibility, which makes it deal for storing diverse or involving data that does not fit well into structured format. Then next, easier to search and process compared to unstructured data, through not as efficient as structured data. So here are the different types of data: structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data. So next point, types of attribute. So inside that, here are four main types attribute. First one, nominal. Second one, binary. Third one, ordinal. And fourth one, numeric. Explain with examples. So first one, nominal attribute. So nominal attribute, it means it is a category variable that have two or more categories but without any order or ranking. Inside that attribute, it means it just like a variable, categorical variable value. Okay. So next one, so characteristics, they are used to label variable and with distinct categories that cannot be compared in terms more or less. For example, nominal attribute, for example, like gender, inside that male, female. Non-binary, it means they are just label male, female. Okay. The next, country, for inside that, USA, India, Japan, France. It means countries are distinct, but there is a no inherent ranking. Next one, color, inside that, red, blue, green, yellow, pink, etc. So each color is different, but one is not higher or lower than the other. The next one, second attribute, binary attribute. So binary attributes are a special case of nominal attributes where there are only two possible values or categories. So inside that, it means that take only two values, often representing binary attribute like yes or no, true or false, on or off. So here some examples: has a car, yes or no, A simple binary response. Is a customer active? Yes or no? True or false? Like. The next third one, ordinal attributes. So ordinal attributes, it means categorical variable where the categories have a logical order or ranking, but the difference between the categories are not informed. It means inside that while the order matter, one category is greater or less than another. It means the exact difference between categories is not defined or measurable. For example, education level, high school, bachelor's, master's, PhD, the order matters. PhD is greater than master's, master is greater than bachelor is greater than high school, but the difference between them isn't consistent. Customer Next example, customer satisfaction, very unsatisfied, neutral, satisfied, very satisfied. It means it's just like a ranking, it's clear, but the difference between say neutral and satisfied is not fixed. The next, numerical attribute. So numerical attributes, it means its another name is quantitative attribute, are inside that the variable that represent the measurable quantities. These attributes can be discrete, it means countable, or continuous, it means finite value within a range. So numeric variable have meaningful values that can be measured, and the difference between values are meaningful. For example, age. Some ages, the difference between 25 and 30 years is meaningful. 25, 30, 45, like that. Next example, salary. 75,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. It means numerical value that show the actual amount. The next, height. 160 centimeter, 170 centimeter, 180 centimeter. It means it continuous value that are measurable. Thank you.